Hello students, we are taking the next point, that is nutrition. When we consider the nutrition, every organism needs the energy. How we get the energy? What is the source of energy? That is our food. Okay, that is when we take the food inside the body, the food may break down in the digestive system and their smaller molecules are formed. These molecules are break down in the respiration process and energy is utilized for various processes. When we consider the definition of nutrition, already we discussed this in previous lesson, that is a process to transfer a source of energy. What is source of energy? That is food from outside of the organism, means from the environment, okay, which is called we as a food. It is taken inside the living organism's body, hence it is called as a nutrition. In short, when we consider our food, it is present outside the environment, it is taken inside the body of organism or living organism, okay, then it is called as a न्यूट्रिशन. ह्या प्रोसेसला आपण न्यूट्रिशन असं म्हणतो. म्हणजे काय, तर एक सोर्स ऑफ एनर्जी आहे ज्याला आपण फूड असं म्हटलेलं आहे, जे आउटसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम प्रेझेंट आहे, म्हणजे इन द एन्व्हायरमेंट. ओके, देन फूड इज टेकन बाय द लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम इनसाइड द बॉडी ऑफ ऑर्गॅनिझम, दॅट इज कॉल्ड एज अ न्यूट्रिशन. ओके, व्हेन वी कन्सिडर द न्यूट्रिशन, देअर आर मोड्स ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. What is the word that is the modes of nutrition? Modes of nutrition means it is the method of obtaining food by the organism. Okay, means any living organism, how they obtain their food from the environment, it is called as a mode of nutrition. म्हणजे आपण असं म्हणू शकतो की एन्व्हायरमेंटमधून एखादा ऑर्गॅनिझम कोणत्या पद्धतीनं फूड इनटेक करतोय, ह्याला आपण काय म्हटलेलं आहे, मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन. When we consider mode of nutrition, they are of two modes of nutrition. First one is autotrophic mode of nutrition and second one is heterotrophic mode of nutrition. I think autotrophic or autotrophs and heterotrophs you are studied in the lower standards. Okay, again we have to discuss these points in this lesson. Okay, when we consider two modes of nutrition, means any organism how it acquires their food material from the surrounding, it is called as a mode of nutrition. Again we have to discuss the definition of nutrition, that is a process of transfer of source of energy. Here I want to again trace these words, that is source of energy means what here, food. Okay, when we consider this food which is present outside of the environment, okay, in the environment, it is taken inside the body of that organism, okay, it is called as the nutrition. The next mode of nutrition, mode of nutrition means it is the method of obtaining food by an organism. मेथड आहे, कोणत्या पद्धतीने तो ऑर्गॅनिझम फूड इनटेक करतोय, ह्याला आपण मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन असं म्हटलेलं आहे. व्हेन वी कन्सिडर द मोड ऑफ न्यूट्रिशन, दे आर मेनली ऑफ टू टाइप्स. ओके, autotrophic mode of nutrition and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. We will discuss these points in the next slide, that is autotrophic mode of nutrition. When we consider the autotrophic mode of nutrition, auto means here self. In this word we have to break this autotrophic word. Auto is broken and trophic is different. Okay, auto means self and troph means nutrition. Okay, means here organisms, they prepare their own food material, they are not dependent on other organism for their food. It is called as the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, we will discuss in this paragraph as the mode of nutrition in which organism makes its own food material. मीन्स ह्याच्यामध्ये जे ऑर्गॅनिझम स्वतःचं अन्न स्वतः तयार करू शकतात त्यांना आपण ॲटोट्रॉफिक म्हणतो. फ्रॉम द सिम्पल ऑर्गॅनिक मटेरियल्स ॲज लाईक कार्बन डायऑक्साइड्स अँड वॉटर प्रेझेंट इन द सराउंडिंग विथ द हेल्प ऑफ सनलाईट एनर्जी. हियर स्टुडंट्स वी हॅव टू डिस्कसिंग हियर photosynthesis process. all the plants are considered as the autotrophs. Okay, you already know that. Okay, the plants only they prepare their own food material by using inorganic materials. They are not organic materials, inorganic materials. Okay, carbon dioxide and water is present. Okay, in the presence of sunlight. You know that for the photosynthesis process you require what materials? The raw materials required for the photosynthesis, that is carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, chlorophyll. But when we consider the chlorophyll, it is present in the green plants. Okay, then next we have to study, that is autotrophs. What are the autotrophs? When we consider the autotrophic mode of nutrition, those organisms which shows the autotrophic mode of nutrition means they prepare their own food material. Own food material ते तयार करू शकतात from the carbon dioxide and water. Okay, they are called as the autotrophs. Autotrophs means here these are the plants. Okay, plants. Okay, when we consider these as the plants, as the autotrophs, there are again autotrophic bacteria. Some lower organisms are also responsible for the photosynthesis process. They make their own food material through a photosynthesis process. Okay, photosynthesis, it is the very important process which is happening in the autotrophic mode of nutrition. Again we have to discuss the autotrophic mode of nutrition. When we consider the autotrophic mode of nutrition, auto means self and troph means nutrition. Those living organisms which makes their own food material from the inorganic materials like carbon dioxide and water. These are the raw materials which are used for the photosynthesis process. And you also know that for the photosynthesis process you require the sunlight as a energy. Okay, then when we consider the autotrophs, another term is used regarding this. Autotrophs means the organisms. Okay, those organisms which shows this type of nutrition, that is autotrophic mode of nutrition. When we consider the green plants and autotrophic bacteria. Okay, they prepare their own food material through the photosynthesis. They all are called as the autotrophs. Means green plants and phototrophic bacteria are termed as the autotrophs. Okay, next term we have to study or discuss heterotrophic mode of nutrition. Okay, heteros, we have to divide this in two parts, heteros and trophic. Heteros means others and troph means nutrition. Okay, when some organisms takes the food from other organisms, other living organisms, they are called as heterotrophs. Okay, when we consider the heterotrophic nutrition, those organisms which cannot make their own food material, they dependent on other organisms for their food material, they are called as the heterotrophs, and the process or mode of nutrition is called as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. When we consider again heterotrophs, they are dependent on the other organisms and they does not produces their own food material, they are called as the heterotrophs. Mostly all the animals are considered under the heterotrophs. Okay, these are the examples which shows the heterotrophic mode of nutrition: man, dog, cat, lion, bacteria and fungi. Okay, then again we will discuss some points of the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. When we consider the heterotrophic word, we have to divide this into two parts, hetero and trophic. Hetero and trophic. Hetero means others and trophic means nutrition. Okay, when we consider this heterotrophic mode of nutrition, those organisms which cannot make their own food material, ते स्वतःच अन्न स्वतः तयार करत नाहीत आणि ते दुसऱ्यांच्यावर डिपेंडंट असतात, दुसऱ्या लिव्हिंग ऑर्गॅनिझम्सवर डिपेंडंट असतात फॉर द फूड मटेरियल, दे आर कॉल्ड ॲज heterotrophs, and the mode of nutrition is called as the heterotrophic mode of nutrition. In next page you will see the definition for the heterotrophs. Again, some organisms which cannot prepare their own food material, and again they are dependent on other organisms for their food material. Okay, example, all the animals, some bacteria and fungi are the heterotrophs. Okay, when we consider some questions from this task, name the two inorganic substances used by the autotrophs. Think over it, student, and write the correct answer. Okay, here asked two inorganic substances they are used by the autotrophs for making their food. Okay, then next question is, write the difference between autotrophic and heterotrophic mode of nutrition. These are the two questions you have to write in detail. Okay, I want the answers in the detail. Students, if you have any query in this lesson, you may ask me or you may comment in the given link. Okay, thank you.